when your article is ready, or you just get the article from a copywriter or from your team member, you can always check if it's unique. What it means unique? Uniqueness in plagiarism checker means that we are going and ask Google in Google see similar pages indexed by Google. Why this is not good to if we have the same or the plagiarism checker find the same sentences, because Google always look for the unique content, unique and expertise. This is what they are looking for. Of course, you still can have a little bit of not unique content. For example, if you cite something or if you just have some kind of interview with a person and so on, and it's just distributed. So it's not always like it has to be 100 plagiarism free. It depends on your content type, but mostly you just have to check what Google already have indexed and what is a uniqueness on your site. To use the plagiarism checker, you just click here. Sometimes, or best, if you just click like mark as done, then you will understand that, okay, this content is ready. Yes, you can just send an email also to the content owner, and then you can start the plagiarism checker. On the plagiarism checker, because it's a heavy, resource heavy, you have to wait a few minutes. So I will just start it now, and I will come back later to do the overview. As you can see, this content is 100% unique. I can save it, so typically you should save it. And when we are saving it, later, if you load revision, you have information here about the revision plagiarism check details. So you can always check the plagiarism. This is exactly the content that we send to check. And of course, in this case, it's not it's plagiarism free. So I mean, like it's 100% unique. But I will give you also the example of something what it's not unique. Here we have example in Polish. As you can see, the plagiarism check can work in any language, and information that we receive is that the text is 32% unique. So let's see what are the differences or what are the same sentences. So here, if you just click on the sentence, you have information from where the sentence is taken or where is a similar sentence, or I mean not similar, exact the same sentence. Yeah. So here is unique content. So this is unique content. And then again, we have sentences from the same page because I'm just clicking here, and if there will be other page, it will be just other page visible. So this is how you can go through. Here you have a list of resources from where the content is duplicated. In this case, it's only one source, but exactly this is working like this. So you have descriptions, details, where you can just go through and look on the information from where the specific content is taken. And then you have also the source and similarity score between those two sources. So your article and the article of which is already published in Google. Yes, so similarity here in 67%. So this is how this works. You can use up to 10,000 words in one plagiarism check. So you can write a very long article and then you can just start the plagiarism checker. And I believe that will be useful for you to really check if there is a value, if there is a uniqueness in your content. Thank you.